Hi guys! If your family is anything like mine, the holiday season is a whirlwind of feasting, from Thanksgiving to Christmas and New Year's parties. Naturally, this abundance results in a surplus of leftovers each year. And we hate leftover in my family, so every year we take it as a challenge to transform leftover into dishes like fried rice, noodle stir-fry, soup, you name it, we have done it all. This year, however, I believe I have elevated the art of ham remakes to a new level. Ham and pineapple curry. Let's make it. You need ham and pineapple, of course, 1 cup each. I cut them into small bite size, especially ham. I trim out all of the fat. And by the way, I use fresh pineapple here. Canned pineapple is acceptable, but let me tell you that fresh pineapple gives out this freshness, tangy and sweet, giving depth to your dish. You also need a can of coconut milk. Don't shake the can because you need to scoop out the thick part on top first. Reserve the thin bottom part for later. Now the red curry. I added some fresh garlic and chili, finely minced to the curry paste for extra kick. This is optional though. Stir and mix the coconut and curry paste on medium heat and let it cook until some oil surfaces on top, about 3 minutes. Then add the ham, fish sauce, palm sugar. Start with 2 tablespoons of each first. You can always add more when you taste at the end if necessary. Once you taste this curry, you would want leftover ham all the time. I believe this is my very best leftover ham recipe ever. And I don't even like fruit in my curry. This recipe derives from my mom's favorite dish. It's called mussel and pineapple curry. Well, I don't like mussel, but remaking it with ham reminds me of how much my mom loved this curry dish, especially when we use fresh pineapple, which get added with bell peppers. Any color but yellow and orange taste the best. Then add the rest of the coconut milk, the thinner part. Then kaffir leaf. Don't forget to rip out the center vein. This will help release the oil faster, allowing it to boil for another 4 minutes. Then red chili, again this is also optional, and fresh basil leaf at the very end. Turn off the heat and serve immediately. And we normally serve it with boiled eggs on the side. Oh, match made in heaven. I should also mention that all curry dishes are usually served with steamed rice. In my family, we eat pretty healthy, so you might see it in my other videos, the steamed rice that look pretty dark. It's called Thai rice berry. It is packed with magnesium, zinc, antioxidants, and other benefits that I can't even pronounce. So all in all, if you are a rice eater, switch to this healthy Thai rice berry. My husband doesn't like brown rice. It tastes like cardboard, he said. So he mixes the Thai rice berry with jasmine brown rice, basmati, and Japanese rice. This combination provides such great balance so the steamed rice is not dry or mushy, just fluffy, cooked to perfection. If you can't find it at your local stores, please check out my website at mothersauce9.square.site. I have all the ingredients you need for this curry and other dishes including the Thai rice berry, so you can eat healthy and eat well. Cheers!